Meet the Converse Chuck 70 Deluxe Squared, Classic Reimagined. Design breakdown, show close-ups of the squared toe, exaggerated sole, and premium materials. Comfort and fit, discuss how they feel on foot. Worth the hype? Honest thoughts on whether they're a must-cop or a pass. Squared toe cap. The most striking update is the flat, squared-off toe cap, a radical departure from the traditional rounded Converse toe. This geometric shape gives the sneaker a modern, architectural look while maintaining its vintage DNA. Exaggerated platform sole. The midsole is thicker and chunkier, adding height and a fashion-forward feel. The signature foxing tape extends outward, emphasizing the squared-off design. This detail enhances both aesthetics and durability. Materials. Staying true to the Chuck 70's premium craftsmanship, the Deluxe Squared features high-quality rubber construction. I have some doubts about quality of surface. It looks okay, but feels too cheap like paper materials. Double-layered outsole details. Unlike traditional Chucks, the sole extends slightly beyond the upper, reinforcing the squared silhouette. This layered effect enhances the sneaker's bold and experimental look. Minimalist yet edgy aesthetic. Despite its unique shape, the sneaker retains a clean and wearable style. The design balances futuristic elements with Converse's vintage roots, making it a standout statement piece. Comfort, not so friendly on feet. Unlike standard Chuck 70s, the squared toe box feels stiff and awkward. It doesn't conform to the shape of your foot naturally. The rigid rubber toe cap can press against your toes, making extended wear uncomfortable, especially for those with wider feet. While the cushioned insole is decent, the overall shape and fit make it less enjoyable for all-day wear. Fit, narrow and awkward. The squared design reduces toe flexibility, making it feel a bit restrictive. Sizing runs similar to regular Chuck 70s, but because of the shape, it may feel tighter in the toe area. Going half a size up might help, but it won't completely fix the discomfort. Durability issues. Front toe damage appears quickly. After just a few wears, many have noticed visible creases and scuffing on the squared toe cap. The extended rubber edges are prone to getting scraped and damaged easily, making them look worn out faster than standard Chuck 70s. The unique structure doesn't flex well, so creases form in odd places, further affecting its longevity. The Converse Chuck 70 Deluxe Squared definitely gives off Rick Owens' ex-Converse TurboDrink vibes, especially with that squared-off toe. Both sneakers push the boundaries of Converse's classic design, but they come with similar comfort and durability issues. Converse Chuck 70 Deluxe Squared, worth the hype? So, is the Converse Chuck 70 Deluxe Squared really worth the attention, or is it just another gimmicky sneaker? Let's break it down. The good. Unique aesthetic, the squared-off design stands out, making it a bold fashion statement. Premium Chuck 70 build, high-quality canvas, sturdy rubber, and classic Chuck 70 details. High fashion vibes for less, gives off Rick Owens' TurboDrink energy without the luxury price tag. The bad. Uncomfortable fit, stiff, awkward toe box with little flexibility. Durability issues, the squared toe creases and scuffs easily. Not everyday wearable, more of a fashion piece than a go-to sneaker for long hours. In conclusion, I would like to say that they are hyped, but not for everyone. If you're into avant-garde sneakers and love experimental designs, this could be a cool statement piece. But if you're looking for comfort, longevity, or a daily wear sneaker, you're better off with a classic Chuck 70 or another platform sneaker. Buy it if you love bold, fashion-forward sneakers and don't mind sacrificing comfort. Skip it if you want a practical, everyday sneaker that lasts. Would you still cop a pair, or is it a pass? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more sneaker content. Let me know in the comments, are the Chuck 70 Deluxe worth a cop or a drop? See you in the next one.